Hello everyone, my name is Adidia Nur Aini. In this video, I would like to present the relationship between art and morality in the picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde. We start from the first slide, is abstract. This work analysis of the ethical issues in the picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde. Also, this work aims to consider the relations between the concept of art and morality in the novel. Dorian's friend and painter Basil painted his portrait, and afterward, the picture became Dorian's consciousness and grew old instead of him, leaving traces of crimes on his soul. The research has shown that art takes the leading role in the novel, and that it is namely in the usage of metaphor that creates the controversial image of the main characters and gives a variety of interpretation of the plot. And the second slide is introduction. The picture of Dorian Gray was published in 1890, is a philosophical and gothic tragic novel by Oscar Wilde. The novel was published in the Victorian era. This work explores the conflict between ethics and aesthetics through Dorian Gray, who trades his soul for eternal youth, with his sins revealed in his portrait. This work was examined concerning philosophers Kant and Nietzsche, who provide contrasting views on morality. The third slide is theoretical basis, the concepts of art and morality. The first concept of art for art's sake. Oscar Wilde in this novel viewed art as a handcrafted process and believed its essence lies in its ability to create mood and beauty, not in teaching or moralizing. The second concept of morality in Kant and Nietzsche's philosophy. They promote that traditional morality weakens individuals, also advocates for inner strength and freedom over duty. The symbol of Nietzsche's theory, called Superman, has a characteristic like exceptional, beyond norms, yet his greatness lies in aesthetic beauty, not moral or intellectual superiority. In this novel, Oscar Wilde aligns more with Nietzsche, challenging Victorian morality through art. The fourth slide is the dialogue between the aesthetic and ethic in the picture of Dorian Gray. Lord Henry promotes hedonism and aestheticism, encouraging Dorian to value beauty and sensation over ethics. We can see in the page 35 that Lord Henry said to Dorian Gray, "Live, live the wonderful life that is in you. Let nothing be lost upon you. Be always searching for new sensations. Be afraid of nothing." Then Dorian as a symbol of Nietzsche's Superman in this novel. His physical beauty is seen as a super powerful, but it ultimately leads to his moral downfall. The portrait symbolizes Dorian's conscience, showing the true cause of his immoral life. In this novel, Oscar Wilde also said that true goodness requires a balance between outer beauty and inner morality. In the last slide is conclusion. The novel represents aesthetic views of the author as well as contains an embodiment of moral values. The portrait stems from the metaphor of true art, which will live even after, or we can call it immortal. And this work helped us to observe the moral dilemmas with the aesthetic and hedonistic attitude. It helps to analyze the current cult of beauty from another angle and see the true values. And then Oscar Wilde claimed the art should be made for the sake of art and beauty. There is a certain moral basis in the novel. Through this work, Kant's and Nietzsche's theory helps us to understand that beauty and aesthetics still matter today and influence what attracts people in their lives. And that's all that I can present today. In the end, I would like to say thank you and have a good day.